opportunity with TCS for freshers to experienced up to 2 years. Qualification required BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA, MSc and MS. Passed out in the year 2024, 2025 and 2026. For more details, don't forget to follow and subscribe Job Hub Pro. Now let me walk you through in detail of this hiring. TCS has announced NQT Hiring 2026. NQT stands for National Qualifier Test. Yes, so in order to grab this opportunity, you need to take up a test. After the assessment, you will be given a compensation or offer letter based on two different cadres. One is prime cadre, where the CTC starts from 7 lakhs per annum to 12 lakhs per annum. The second cadre is digital, where the compensation ranges from 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. And this will be decided based on your job location, experience, qualification, whether UG or PG, and the skill set that you have uploaded. Based on all these, your compensation will be decided under these two cadres. About the registration timeline, the registration is open from today, that is 18th of February 2026, and it is open until 20th of March. However, the exams will get started from 10th of March. How to apply for this hiring? Step number 1, you need to log into TCS Next Step portal. I'll be sharing the link in the description. And you need to click on register, log in with your OTP, click on apply for this particular drive, which is NQT hiring, and follow all the procedures as per the instructions on the screen. But 3 important key information that you need to be careful with. Number 1, for the test center, select on test mode in the center mode, where you need to update 3 different locality details for the test center. And one of the locality will be decided for you based on the availability of the test center. Number 2, you need to check on the skills that you wanted to get evaluated. Select 3 top skills that you wanted to get test yourself. Number 3, you need to select 3 preferred job locations. And finally, once you complete, click on check your application and check whether your application is submitted or not. Post submission, you will be getting email from TCS Ion email ID with which your test will get started. For more details about this hiring, I will be updating under description. And don't forget to follow and subscribe Job Hub Pro for more such exciting opportunities.